You should be taking people and moving them into some sort of a list, preferably an email list, but also you're going to, by the very nature of the technology, making sure that, and I'm not the technical guy in our company. I know enough of it to ask the right questions and be dangerous. But you need things like Google Tag Manager where you put all these different tags inside of this bucket. And then that way, no matter where people come from on the internet, when they land on your web properties, they're getting tagged appropriately for all of the different media platforms and social media platforms that are out there so that you can achieve that omnipresence. So that's sort of a version of a list. So you also, if you've gone on websites and at the top, you have the little thing asking you permission to send you notifications. I almost always say no, but don't always judge the audience by yourself, the market by yourself, because I know people right now that are having a lot of success with notification traffic, push notification traffic. So that's a form of a list. Retargeting is a form of a list. Email marketing, a form of a list. Building likes and followers on social media, a form of a list. And so you want to build an audience, you want to serve that audience, but you want to have a call to action. That call to action is follow us, like us, go get this. And as I said, the preferred mechanism is to get them to do something that they put their email address on a list. If you heard me earlier, I said go to jpmaroney.com/free. You can get a bunch of free stuff. It's a bundle that I keep adding to so that I can give. And then ultimately somebody along the way gives back to me by choosing to do business with us. We do the same thing. We eat our own dog food. We do what we say and what we tell other people to do.
Get more content plus free bonuses and resources at jpmaroney.com/VIP.